The 2025 Mercedes Maybach Motorhome redefines luxury travel, merging the opulence of the Maybach name with the freedom of a motorhome. This isn't just a vehicle, it's a rolling five-star hotel designed for those who demand the absolute best in comfort, technology, and performance while exploring the open road. Let's take a closer look at what makes this motorhome a true masterpiece. From the outside, the Mercedes Maybach Motorhome is an absolute showstopper. Its sleek aerodynamic design is paired with Maybach's signature chrome grille and LED headlights that give it an unmistakable presence. The two-tone paint job, a hallmark of Maybach vehicles, adds a level of sophistication rarely seen in motorhomes. Massive 21-inch alloy wheels with Maybach's emblem and subtle chrome accents along the sides complete the elegant design. The motorhome is built on a Mercedes-Benz Sprinter chassis, but this is no ordinary Sprinter. It's been extended and reinforced to accommodate the motorhome's luxury features while maintaining the smooth and reliable performance Mercedes is known for. The attention to detail is evident in every curve and finish, ensuring it looks just as at home at a high-end resort as it does in a remote campground. Step inside, and you're greeted with a world of luxury. The cabin features plush leather seats, fine wood trim, and brushed aluminum accents, creating a blend of classic elegance and modern design. The ceiling is adorned with an LED-lit starlight display, reminiscent of the iconic feature found in Maybach sedans. Every surface feels premium, from the soft touch panels to the hand-stitched upholstery. The layout is designed to maximize space and comfort. The living area includes a spacious lounge with reclining captain's chairs and a sofa bed upholstered in the finest materials. There's a 50-inch OLED smart TV mounted on a hidden lift system, allowing it to disappear when not in use. A state-of-the-art Burmester surround sound system ensures an immersive audio experience, whether you're watching a movie or enjoying music. The kitchen is a work of art in itself. It features a quartz countertop, a dual-burner induction stove, a stainless steel refrigerator, and a built-in coffee machine. The cabinetry is finished in piano black with soft close mechanisms, while gold accents add a touch of Maybach's signature luxury. This isn't just a kitchen, it's a gourmet space designed for effortless cooking on the go. Moving to the rear, the master suite is nothing short of breathtaking. A king-size bed with a memory foam mattress ensures a restful night's sleep, while the surrounding panels are upholstered in quilted leather. There are panoramic windows with electronically controlled privacy shades, giving you the option to wake up to stunning views or complete seclusion. The suite also includes a dedicated climate control system and ambient lighting with customizable settings. The bathroom is equally impressive, featuring a marble-tiled shower, a porcelain toilet, and a vanity with an illuminated mirror. The shower is equipped with a rainfall head and a steam function, turning it into a personal spa. Heated floors and towel racks add an extra layer of comfort, ensuring that even the smallest details cater to your needs. In terms of performance, the 2025 Mercedes Maybach Motorhome is powered by a 3.6-liter inline-six turbo diesel engine paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission. This setup delivers 188 horsepower and 325 Nm of torque, ensuring smooth acceleration and plenty of power for long highway drives. The motorhome also features air suspension, which provides an incredibly smooth ride, even on uneven terrain. The handling is impressive for a vehicle of this size, making it just as comfortable to drive as it is to live in. When it comes to technology, the motorhome is packed with advanced features. The MBUX infotainment system is at the heart of the driver's cabin, offering navigation, voice control, and real-time updates. A 360-degree camera system makes parking and maneuvering effortless, while adaptive cruise control and lane keeping assist ensure a stress-free driving experience. There's also an integrated Wi-Fi hotspot and multiple USB-C ports throughout the cabin for staying connected. One of the standout features of the Maybach Motorhome is its self-sustainability. It's equipped with solar panels on the roof, a lithium-ion battery system, and a built-in generator, allowing you to stay off-grid for extended periods. The water system includes a purification system and a large capacity tank, ensuring you have access to clean water no matter where you are. In conclusion, the 2025 Mercedes Maybach Motorhome is the pinnacle of luxury travel. It combines the craftsmanship and elegance of Maybach with the functionality of a motorhome, creating an unparalleled experience for those who want to travel in style. Whether you're embarking on a cross-country journey or parking at an exclusive resort, this motorhome ensures you do it with sophistication and comfort. So, what do you think of the 2025 Mercedes Maybach Motorhome? Is this the ultimate way to travel? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more luxury vehicle reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.